Alright, my phone got so hot that I had to actually wait for it to cool down before I can finish the video. Which gave me a chance to actually do the measurements, so I stayed productive. But anyway, let me give you a finishing tour here of them cleaning it out, and then I will share measurements with you. So you can see they have basically taken everything. A couple cables remaining. Looks like this is something for the window. Pocket rod, it says. Does still have the blinds. Another cable. Closets are completely empty. Bathroom, a couple mats still here. Other than that, they left the plunger. But other than that, it's empty. So everything is gone. They left the fixture there. Sure is a quiet house. I've been here for a good 20-30 minutes doing measurements, waiting for the phone to cool down, and just can't hear anything outside. They took what was there on top, so that's gone. They left the chandelier, they left the light. Measurements, I'm gonna draw this at home and then put the measurements on. Might make it a little easier than showing you all of these crazy numbers. But I am gonna kind of just explain it while I'm right here, so that you can also look at this video. So measurements I did first was I did this upstairs living room. I did the width, and then I also did the length of the living room. I made an invisible line right here, and I did just this square. So that gave me 16.3 by 18.3 for the upstairs living room. Then I did the hallway. See, it says 16.2 by 4. I started right here. Sorry, I'm getting all these messages. I started right here, and I went to the tile. That's what gave me the 16.4, and then the 4 is the width. So I did that. The bedrooms, as you can see, there's this little walk-in area, and then you have the room. By the way, I don't think I walked in the rooms to show you. This is all gone as well. So what I did for the room is, I'm not sure if this matters, but I did a 2.8 by 3.3, and then the room was 10.1 by 12.8, and then the next room over 2.6 by 3.2, 10 by 12.11. So I did this little square section as its own measurements, and then I did kind of a square here. You know, you can obviously just add it if you want total lengths and stuff, but I wasn't sure when tiling if those little pieces should be counted separately or not. So same thing here, you walk in and then you have the bedroom. So, lastly, as far as the upstairs goes, I'm shooting this upstairs video. I still got to do the measurements for the downstairs. But the upstairs bedroom, this is a tricky one. Lots of corners and spots and angles, and so like I said, I put it on paper. It might make more sense, but I want to at least share it in this video while I'm here. First, I did the width from the wall to this half wall, which I came up with a 16.3 by 16.6 being width and height of the bedroom. See, I have an overall of 2511. 2511 would be from this wall going all the way to that wall. Not sure if they want that, or if they'd rather do it this room and this room. This right here is a 6-inch wall, so that's 6 inches right there. So based on that, like I said, we had the 16 by 6 by 16 by 3, and then this secondary room is 9.3 by 16.5. Not sure why I have 16.6 and 16.5. Both are representing the width of the room, so I'm not sure. They really should be the same. I'm assuming with tile you overcompensate a little bit, so hopefully these numbers kind of help get them ballparks, and then they probably overcompensate. But like I said, with this room and this room, the width was 9.3 and 16.3, and then of course 16.6 is supposed to be the same width going across the room. So then you get to this section here, and I wasn't sure if this should be a separate dimension. I did this separately. First off, I did the two closets. One has a shorter width than the other. See, I have that 4.9 and then the 10.3. The reason I did that, it was the 4.9 right here is kind of a walk-in closet that's kind of longer than it is wide. Whereas this other one, I did a 7.1 or 7.10 wide. It's not very deep, but it's wide. So I'm not sure. And then I also did this little square right here. I called it the master hallway, 4.9 by 7.4. So 4.9 wide, 7.4 deep. So anyway, a lot of different dimensions for this room. Hopefully the video, along with when I draw it out, and send it to you with the numbers, will make sense. Hopefully. So anyway, that kind of covers everything that was left. A couple things that they have. I'm going to go ahead and do the downstairs. I can't believe how many texts I'm getting. I'm so sorry. Getting them one after another. I'm going to do the downstairs bedroom, measure that. As a matter of fact, let me walk downstairs while we're doing this. Now, this is all tile floor. I believe you're leaving this alone. And you're just worrying about the front room, which I'll measure, and then also this room. These are the only two areas that have carpet downstairs. You have these linoleums here, and you have these tile floors. Then you have carpet, and you have tile. So anyway, I'm going to do these measurements of the carpet. If there's anything else further you need, let me know. I can come back. But I'll shoot those. Those should be easier meant to do. I hope, although it's kind of a slanted angle. But I'll go ahead and measure those to the best of my ability, and then I'll send this all to you as an email. See ya. Bye.